Hey y'all, welcome back to Christy's cooking channel. Today I'm going to do the crazy about food tag. I was tagged by Cooking with Cricket and Chef Lorius. It's 30 questions long. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Number 1, what food would you eat every day? That's easy. I would eat Mexican every day. Number 2, what is your favorite restaurant? Another Mexican restaurant is La Parrilla. Number 3, what city has the best food you've ever had? That would be Orlando. I love all those little tourist type restaurants. Number 4, what do you get on your sub? My sub is so plain and basic. I just get turkey, cheese, and mustard. That's it. Number 5, what do you get on your pizza? I love to get extra cheese and pepperoni. Number 6, is there a food that you have always wanted to try? I would always like to try Kobe beef. Number 7, tell me about your worst restaurant experience. That would have to be any time that I get something that has a hair in it. That's disgusting. Number 8, who's the better cook, your mom or dad? Well, my dad passed away when I was younger. I don't even remember him. And my mom passed away in 1999, and she was a wonderful cook. Number 9, what is the one food... The rooster. Number 9, what is the one food you just fail of making? I think it's supposed to say at making. When we first got married, I could not make biscuits. It took me years to figure out how to make biscuits. They used to be so hard that you could use them as a weapon. Number 10, name your least favorite foods. That would be green peas and bell peppers. Number 11, raw or cooked veggies. I like them cooked. Number 12, how do you like your steak? I like my steak medium, but I can eat it medium well also. I cannot eat it rare or well done. Rare, it cannot be cold in the middle at all. Number 13, do you enjoy cooking or baking better? Actually, I prefer grilling better. I like to cook and bake also. 14, what's your favorite fast food place? Well, I like Five Guys. I don't know if that's considered fast food or not, but there is a chain restaurant. 15, name a food place you wish it was closer to you. I would say Margaritaville. 16, ultimate favorite dessert. That would be cheesecake. 17, what food do you gravitate more towards at a party or a get-together? To be honest, I always eat before I go to a party because I'm very picky about whose food I eat. 18, favorite foods to eat at Christmas. That would be sweet potato casserole. 19, what's the first food that comes to your mind right now? Sushi. 20, do you have any weird food habits? Yes, I do. When I eat like a Swiss cake roll, I like to peel the chocolate off the outer edge and then I unroll it and I eat it that way. I do that with Reese cups too. I also eat the chocolate around the edges. 21, what holiday is your favorite for food? That would be Thanksgiving. 22, what's one food you're never going to try? That would be chitlins. 23, do you know your best friend's favorite food? Best friend from high school, she liked tomato soup and grilled cheese. And my husband, he's my best friend. He loves prime rib. 24, what's the best thing your mom makes? My mom used to make the best breakfast. 25, what's your favorite style of eggs? Scrambled, poached, boiled, over easy, or sunny side up? Well, I actually like deviled eggs the best. I do like my fried eggs over medium, but I have to have grits on top of them and mix everything together. 26, name your favorite restaurant that is closed down. That one I would say would probably be Steak and Ale. 27, do you like your bread toasted light or dark? That would be light. 28, do you like spicy foods? Yes, I do. 29, do you like seafood? I love seafood. 30, first food that comes to mind that is green. That would be collards. That's my favorite green food. I know a lot of people don't like these tags. I think they're a lot of fun. It helps you get to know everybody a little bit better. The 3 channels that I'm going to tag, well, the first one is kind of a 2-person deal. I don't know who will do it, but I'm going to tag Rick Mamana and Kathy Otterson. Hopefully one of them will do it. If not both, that would be great. I'm going to tag Cooking with Tom Tom, and I'm going to tag Big Lou Barbecue. and I'll list all the questions and all the channel information in the description box. Thank y'all so much. This was a lot of fun. Thanks, Cricket and Chef Laureus.